Wah, wah, wah. Whoa. Ayun. Ismail.
Let's play on the sandcastle! Yes, let's build together!
I'll help decorate.
Chirp, chirp, let's build!
Squeak, squeak.
Yay, yay!
Click, click. I'll help her. Chirp, chirp, pig. Pressure pie. Squeak. Watch out.
Click, click, chirp! We did it! Look, a huge wave!
It's coming right. Whoa, plus.
Oh, hoo, 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 hoo.
Where is it?
Etlay, look out!
Whoa, damn it. I'm in Pinto.
She's going under!
What? We have to help her. It's too dangerous.
Etlay, we're coming!
It's really exciting. Look for a stick or something.
Over there, by the water! Drowning! Hold on, Etlay! I'm coming! Inga, lay the way through! Pull through! Etlay, can there! It's too strong! It's pulling us in! They're gone! The whirlpool, go! Etlay, Inga, hold on! I'm coming! I need something to save them from that whirlpool. There! A coconut tree trunk! This work! I'll go work! I'll push it tense on these homo kekon!
Entoy, help!
And tip mine! When downfall is worrying!
Hurry, Entoy!
Etlay! Inga, hold on! I'm coming! Get on the truck!
Entoy, calm down.
It's too strong!
Got you. You're safe now. I'm starting. Thank you, Mommy.
We made it! We're saved! I was so scared!
Me too, but we're safe now.
Hey, what's this in my mouth? Seaweed!
You too? Ega has some as well. You're right. It's so tasty.
Yay, delicious sea! Hey, can I have some seaweed?
No way! Get your own from the sea.
No, Entoy. This seaweed is mine.
What? You won't share? That's not fair! Fine! I'll get my own!
He's throwing a fit over seaweed.
Why swimming, Goy? Have fun! We're at the biggest one. Whoa, so much seaweed down here.